This is going to be a quick part 2 to my clicking haptics video, because I realized in that video I was talking predominantly about the gear in here being misaligned, which can cause that, but this can also cause that. I didn't mention the circuit board on the side of it here. This is something I don't think I've ever really seen this on the BDM 10 and 20 models, but I've seen this on 30, 40, and 50 models, where this little board here on the haptic will come loose. Either the controller got dropped or something. This can become dislodged, and this will cause a clicking as well. Whenever you turn the controller on, it'll just go. Doesn't have the same sound, but you get the idea. And all you have to do is pop it back into place. Just make sure that that's aligned properly. And then sometimes you might want to grab something to just kind of put some tension up on some of the tabs to get it to snap all the way back into place. But pretty easy fix. It is helpful to, you can do this with like just taking the back off and popping it in, but it can be easier to kind of line everything up in place if you move the main board out of the way. So I hope this video helped you, and stay tuned for more.